right. We're heading to Cadbury World.
You might wonder why there's a different voice right now. But we're fine. And my sister's here. And she's trying to be a little bit naughty. Hey, no I'm not.
Cadbury World.
And it's me. And our names are Henry and Annabelle. Do you ever tell them your name?
They know my name.
Not Adam.
You can be the presenter today, Henry, if you want. Alright, so we've just parked up. This is on the car park, but from the car park you can actually see the Cadbury's factories from here. We've got over there, and as we come over here you can see Bourneville on the building in the far distance. Then as we come around you got the big Cadbury on that one over there. And then down here is some of the little bits inside the Cadbury World exhibition and stuff.
Hey everyone, we're at Cadbury World. And you're going to be exploring with us what you do at Cadbury World, and there is also some little bottles where you can do some drawing with chocolate.
Lovely. And what's your name?
Annabelle.
And what's your name?
My name's Henry.
Okay.
Are you filming now?
So here we are approaching the entrance to Cadbury's World. And this is in Bourneville, Birmingham, the home of Cadbury's chocolate. So we'll see what's going on today.
And here is Freddo.
Freddo? Is that his name? Oh yeah.
Freddo.
That is Freddo, yeah. Look, you can come and see the characters.
This is the
Oh,
only
it's
place
Freddo.
that you'll be seeing this place.
Freddo!
This is the outside of Cadbury World.
Oh, hello, yeah.
It's Freddo! Hey.
And let's have a big, beautiful smile. Say, Fredo!
Freddo!
Beautiful. Look at that.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Our tour inside's not for another hour or so we can go on this 4D chocolate adventure first.
We are in the 4D cinema.
Okay, 4D cinema. So, Annabelle, what did you think of the 4D experience?
I loved it. It was so fun. And also, my favourite part was the roller coaster.
The roller coaster, I love that as well actually.
Yeah. And also, when you crashed it, you went in the danger zone and then you fell into it. And also at the start, you fell into a chocolate and it came into a roller coaster.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
It was so fun.
What did you think, Henry?
I thought it was amazing. The surprising bit is that when I saw the no danger zone, but there was the gorilla's head but made out of chocolate.
Yeah.
I was thinking it would be like the story where everything and the gorilla eat chocolate and then everything turned into like chocolate.
I enjoyed it as well, especially the roller coaster bit. That was good. There's Annabelle and Henry.
I'll be playing the challenge last
Whoa.
Yes, you're winning. Wait, Abby, wait. You're not losing. Wait, Abby, you didn't see it.
Right, so we went in the 4D experience, but now we're in the main part. We've come back round now, so this is the main tour. We've just bought a couple of little bags and we've had some free chocolate already, so hopefully we'll get some more as we go around. So wait there, you've got a little bag with some chocolate in it, yeah?
Here's the chocolate that we got.
Ah,
And
right.
that side says keep out.
Okay, but we can't keep out because we've got to come in.
Yeah.
And Annabelle's messing around on some screen.
We
whatever that is.
Yes, let's plant it.
One for you. One for you. Oh.
I guess I
So this is some sort of little exhibit thing about where chocolate's coming from.
Men have come to see them and are trading with them for chocolate.
What's this size?
You're having fun. In this bit there's like an old-fashioned street being constructed.
Father moved the family to Birmingham, our home in Exeter in 1794, and set up this business as a linen draper and silk. Birmingham was a fine place to live, with plenty of business opportunities. I experimented with preparations of cocoa beans and chocolate, which I could sell in the shop. Soon I had to rent a warehouse in nearby Crooked Lane, where I could manufacture these products on a larger scale.
What's the next thing we're going on?
We're going on a ride.
So this is Cadbury, the next bit. On some type of little car ride now.
It's time for your photo. Look at the birdhouse over there. Don't forget to smile and wave. It's time for your photo. Look at the birdhouse over there. Don't forget to smile and wave.
Welcome to Beanville.
What's it called?
Pretty colours.
There I am.
That's gonna be a little bit popping out of that basket. Wait and see.
Oh, it's getting colder now.
Oh no! We're gonna freeze!
He's cold.
This is pretty, isn't it? I think this is the end of the car ride now. Bye. So apparently we've got chocolate tasting next. Yeah, you can smell the chocolate in this bit.
Is that?
Don't eat them, right? Have a look at them.
Turn it round, Henry. That's like a chocolate shell where you can put fillings inside. Next we're going to be tasting some chocolate by the looks of it, some liquid chocolate.
Marshmallows, jelly babies, fudge.
So I've got chocolate there, liquid in the bottom, with jelly babies, and I can mix that up in a second. What you got? Oreo.
Marshmallows and Oreo.
Oh, marshmallow, Oreo, and chocolate as well, and melted chocolate.
Mine too.
Nice. Look here, they're making chocolate teapots.
And no one will be just making Lego chocolate. It's the best chocolate in the world.
We're doing some chocolate drawing. Chocolate drawing. Henry's drawn an old-fashioned TV. It's some type of person. And what's that?
Kids, we need to finish up.
Where are we off to next?
Adventure.
Advertising Avenue.
Yeah. Really, the end. We still have a couple of stuff to say.
Okay.
Wait, look at this. No, look at this.
Chocolate porridge, yeah?
Ezra, you cheeky boy. I saw what you did there. You cheeky boy.
Let's have some light. Wasn't on a little bit heavy while no. False whispers are lighter than chocolate.
New ride coming 2024.
Chocolate ball. Chocolate ball.
What's this here?
White chocolate.
What is it? Oh, a chocolate. Oh, it's a copy of the bull in the bull ring.
Ball has been created by Cadbury World chocolate and is made entirely from chocolate.
Yeah, this is a copy of the bull from the bull ring in Birmingham.
And did you know the incredible standing on dark chocolate and that's just normal chocolate? And white is smell of white chocolate. White is just smell of white chocolate.
Here's the shop. Here's the factory shop.
We are now in the Cadbury World shop and I'm going to buy the Sour Patch Kids Cola
Cool.
flavour. Let's look around.
They actually
and
look
see
pretty
what
nice.
we would get. Sour.
Trust us to come to the Cadbury shop and buy Maynard sweets instead. Chocolate football. There's also a cafe if you fancy anything to eat or whatever. What did you think about Cadbury's World then?
Cadbury's World was the best thing ever.
Really? Was it really?
Well, I wouldn't call it. Well, it wasn't the best thing ever, but it was really good.
Okay, well you got some nice chocolate, didn't you? Is it as good as Alton Terrace? Yeah. No, it's not. Not as good as Alton Terrace.
Yeah,
No way.
I really like Alton Towers.
Might be better than Chesington, but not Alton Terrace.
No, Chesington. Cadbury's World is the best place to buy chocolate though.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll give you that one. No, it was pretty good. It was
It
alright.
was amazing. I loved it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Alright, I believe you.
The little ride was okay.
Yeah.
The 4D cinema, it was
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, I like that actually. So yeah, the 4D cinema was the best part, I think. And then maybe tasting the chocolate, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright then. Okay, bye.
Everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
I can't believe I got so much chocolate.